Tay and Tan. Smile TV. Yeah. Sorry guys, nawala nga kami ng matagal. So, ngayon lang kami nakapag-vlog ng mahaba. So guys, dito kami. Papunta kami sa aming best friend to see our kitty. Yeah. See the kitty? You want to see the kitty, guys? Oh, kaya may car, ha? Okay. Kaya guys, tara, samahan nyo kami at papasyal kami sa kitty world. Yeah. Yan guys, medyo malapit na kami. Ayan, kung nakikita nyo, yan sa kanto na yan is along the way of Steen. So, ayan guys, don't forget to like our vlog for Tay and Tan. So guys, meron kasing ibibigay yung kasama namin na kitty. Titingnan natin kung ano. Tara guys, samahan nyo kami. Nakalapit na hotel. Yeah, you like to go there? Hotel? That's one hotel? You like? Yeah. Yeah, you want to go to hotel? Yeah, ang department store here.
Yeah, here? Hello.
Yes, hi.
Hi. I told you.
Famous chicken in here in Quezon.
Yeah, why
Oh yeah, that one Albaik.
Are you taking there?
What do you say? The chicken is good? You like to bake? Go Albaik.
Yeah. And I buy?
You like Albaik?
Yes. Never take there.
Yeah, malapit na kami kay Kitty.
What?
Yan ang Asitin Road. Asitin Road. So, yan ang Asitin Road. Until there. Yeah. The famous chicken in KSA. Yeah, Albaik.
I'll buy.
Yeah. Here we go. Kitty World. Yeah, Oasis. Ayan. You like that one, Teo? Coming in your mouth.
What are you not see? Oh,
He's sleeping.
no, we don't see it. Good dog. Yeah, dog poop. We're doing dog poop. Yes. Hello.
Hi guys. Yeah.
Good dog.
Hey, hi.
Mommy. You know baby. It's not a box, huh?
Ang tropa natin wala pa.
Ano?
Cute nga. Cute. Say bye-bye guys.
Bye-bye.
Ayan, oh.
What are
Where?
Kitty?
Yeah, the bigger. There is their mother. There yung tropa natin.
What?
Naglilinis siya, oh.
Hey, what?
There yung tropa na. Naglilinis.
The different.
Tropa natin naglilinis.
Different. What? Toto.
Ayan.
Hello. Oh?
Tol, mukhang walang naglinis ah. Mukhang walang naglinis. Yeah, we go another there. Let's go. Pupunta kami sa pusa. May rabbit din sila dito. Ayun na, rabbit. Say hi, hello rabbit. Rabbit. Oh, no more cat. They buy already, the small. Oh, rabbit. Say hi.
Ayaw eat you.
Gilong-gilong pa. Mas lalakad. Sayang ah. Ang ganda pa naman ng kulay.
Kaya dyan lang sa likod, pinakawalan na niya sa likod.
Oo. Kaya para masanay maglakad.
Cute.
Eh, yung tropa ko, ayan, pinamimigay niya. Ano lahi niyan?
Scotch to.
Ha?
Scotch.
Catch?
Scotch.
Ito pala nito.
Pure to.
Ano?
Yan sa loob.
Sa yung
Yung ano sa loob pa.
pato.
Oh, kung kita mo yung ano yung
Palalaki pa ito, pwede nakatayin yan.
Pwede na. Kapulutan.
Ayun yung mga daga, oh. Eto, oh, puta pulo. Pulo na yung mga daga.
Dalawang na rabbit dyan, dalawang malalaki.
Oo.
Naghanap ako kung sinong pwede magluto. Ang bataro.
Ang hirap, hindi, ang hirap naman katayin yun, yung rabbit din. O, say bye-bye na. Say bye-bye to our vlog. Kasi yan, tropa natin yan dyan. So, may pamimigay siyang pusa pag uwi na.
Uwi na.
Oh.
Yeah, he's so cute.
Wait,
See the video from there. The other one.
What?
There.
Wait, Papa.
See? His hair.
Nice.
Nice hair.
Oh, that one. The mom. The mom. What? They touch about and what the?
No more pity. Let's look at them.
Oh my pig. And the pig. What? You see? You see?
Yung mga kailangan ng rabbit.
More.
Meron naman dyan, malaki.
I have.
Medyo malaki din.
Wow.
Gray yata.
Wow. Ano, mama, bawal. What you see?
Matagal na pa ako uwi. At pala ko sana lumipat eh.
What the heck? Ano?
Kanya parang
So pig, you see? What more? The pig. What the see the pig? What? Get up. Yes. What pig? The pig one? The pig.
Ano yung bahay na lalaki? Hindi ba nakikita ko ano?
Makikita. Hindi ko lang.
O, tama. Cute.
Kaya mo magsasawa kayo niya pag uwi ko. Bibili ako agad dalawang partner.
So cute.
Bibili ako dalawang shih tzu sa Bulacan. Sa may ano, yung
Johan.
sa Manawag daw na marami pagka Friday. Ito, mandel. Oh, he looking for you. He look you.
Come, come.
Oh, ikaw naman, hawakan mo. Yun. Oh, you hold ah. Hindi ka marunong mawak eh. Ah, ayan oh. Ayun oh. Tarantado. Sabi ko huwag gumibitawan. Oh. Guys, nasa bahay na kami at kami ay matutulog na at ayan nasa ang aking bunso ay nasa higaan na. Guys, see you later. Ayan na, nakauwi na kami. Nandito na kami sa aming lugar. Kaya don't forget our YouTube channel, Tay and Tan, and Smile TV channels, our new name for vlogging. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Don't forget also to ring the bell para sa notification bell para updated ka sa amin mga video. So guys, bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Say bye-bye.
Mabanda tayo was your po.
Stay
Taya? That was
Bye-bye.
your po.
Why are you crying?
Yeah, that